Hello and welcome back to another Dominator 675 models video. Today we're looking at the final look of the Douglas Dakota Mk.3 by Airfix. But before we start, let's remind ourselves of what was inside the kit. You had 6 grey plastic sprues, 1 clear plastic sprue and a very nice decal sheet. Straight out the box, the sprues did not need any flash. Removed. Airfix had done a decent job on the moulding, so no sanding was required here. However, as with most 3-level scale kits, sanding was required the entire way through to make sure all the parts fitted nicely and fitted to the fuselage correct. Airfix has done a very good job designing the layout and how you should build this kit. The entire parts fit together rather nicely and require little filler if you do it correct. Those of you who have followed the entire Dakota series on my channel, you will know I had some fit issues with the front of the fuselage. This was quickly plugged up with Humbrol model filler. Although my handiwork here was not superb, it really did change the look of the model once I applied that model filler. The model filler was necessary and did its job perfectly. As per usual with most Airfix kits, the instructions were clear and concise with little difficulty putting the parts together. They all fit rather nicely. So let's now look at the kit once it's fully built. Please bear in mind the fit issues on here are typically down to the modeler fault, not Airfix's modeling. Airfix had printed the decals perfectly and they did not require any Microsoft or Decalsoft to make them curve around to the edges of the kit. They just worked fine. Airfix supply you with over 78 separate decals. Most of them are quite small. This may be a challenge here, beginner modelers, but it is labelled as a 3 model. Even with the small fit issues that were caused by me, not by Airfix, the kit looks superb and I am very happy with the results I've managed to achieve with this cheap kit. The window part on this kit might require a little bit of sanding and filler to make sure there aren't any gaps. I had to do the same and it looks pretty good. Definitely think Airfix has made a great kit. It is for scaled models only as it is a 3-level kit and filler and sanding are required. This is to be expected. This specific Douglas Dakota kit also comes with a Willys Jeep, a gun carriage and a trailer with some fuel cans. These fit very nicely and fitted together. So that is the end of the Douglas Dakota series on my channel. If you did get something out of this or it did inspire you to build this Dakota, please put it down in a comment below. If you would like to see more of Dominator 675 scale modelling content and see the A4B Skyhawk which is coming up in the next series, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Till then, this is Dominator 675 Models signing off. Goodbye.